Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. If you have an old mobile phone that's working, no matter the age, T-Mobile will take it as a trade-in and give you a Samsung 5G Galaxy A32. The offer is for new and existing customers who don't need to add a line, by the way. You'll get monthly credits covering the cost of the phone for 2 years. The carrier is also rolling out 5G home internet service. Executive VP Jon Freier.
This is something that we're incredibly excited about. It's $60 a month. That's taxes and fees, 100% included in that $60. No installation fees, no modem rental fees, all that stuff that people hate about their home broadband service. What we're trying to do is we're trying to rewrite those rules once again.
The service averages 100 megabits, according to Freier. Head to the T-Mobile.com site to see where it is initially available. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.